Welcome to our channel One Step, where we post tutorial videos to help you guys fix a problem. In today's video, I will be teaching you guys how you guys can fix a problem of why you can't change your birth date on Snapchat. So if you're also facing this problem, then follow the step which I'm going to show you so you guys will know why you are not able to change your birthday on Snapchat. And before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel One Step, hit the subscribe to our channel and let's move on. So most people, they do not know this, but Snapchat also warns you guys, but most people, they don't read warning, which causes them to have this problem. So you cannot change your birthday multiple times on Snapchat. You only have 3 or 4 chances to change your birthday, and once you change your birth date more than that, you cannot change it. So basically Snapchat has a limiter. I don't know why, but they have a limiter on changing a birth date. So if you try to change your birth date multiple times, you cannot. If you try to go past the 4-time things, then after you change your birth date for 4 times, you cannot change it ever again. It's permanently going to be your birth date. So if you don't believe me, let me show it to you. Snapchat itself tells you this. Click on the profile picture at the top left. Once you're over here, you want to click on the setting icon at the top right of your screen. Once you click on it, the third option where it says birthday, you want to click on it. And once you're over here, you can see at the top, choose carefully. You can only change your birthday a limited number of times. So as you guys can see, Snapchat clearly says it. So if you change your birthday multiple times, then basically now you cannot do anything. The only thing you can do is report it to Snapchat. And we have also made a video on our channel on how to change your birth date after you cross your birthday changing limit. You can watch that video to see how you guys can change your birthday even after you cross this marker. But remember, after you cross this limit, the only way to change your birthday is to report to Snapchat, and we have made a video on how to do that, so you can watch it as I said it. But yeah, the only thing you can do is report, otherwise you cannot do anything to change your birth date from inside Snapchat. Contacting the staff of Snapchat is the only way. So that's how you guys can change your birthday if you guys have crossed your limit. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel One Step. I will see you guys next time.